everybody, it's game time. I've got 2 boxes left unopened tonight. What to break. This is a tough call. I haven't opened Prism since it first came out. I think I'm going to do Contenders now. I did okay with my first box. I usually don't do very well with Contenders. Usually we just don't see eye to eye. So, but I did okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. I think we're going to go with that. We're going to roll with that and do Prism last. If you want to see the Prism box be opened, subscribe and hit the little notification bell so YouTube will let you know when that video is posted, which will be very soon. You guys know I don't sit on boxes forever. I buy them because I love to open them, and I don't wait around. If I had my way, I'd probably do nothing but open boxes all day, every day, and post videos for you guys to watch. Alright, there's my little stacks. 5 autographs. Hopefully 1 decent. That's kind of how this goes. If you're lucky, you'll get a couple of okay ones, and if you're lucky, a really good one. Trubisky, Edelman, Freeman, Kerryon Johnson, Rookie of the Year. Alshon Jeffrey and Andy Dalton. Phillip Rivers, Derrick Henry. Nick Chubb. On card. Sweet. That is a nice hit. Wow. Obviously, if this was like cracked ice or something, I'd be going nuts. But this is still a really solid hit. Happy. Yes, I'll take it all day. Nice. Alright. Legendary Contenders. Tony G. Andrew Luck, Le'Veon Bell. Adams, Ajayi Green. Contenders, Kareem Hunt. I wonder what's going to happen with him. Is he like just gone for good? Anybody know? Comment below, let me know. Been curious how that was going to shake out. Robinson, Thielen, Fitz, Contenders, Phillip Rivers, Diggs, and David Johnson. Brady, Ryan, Russell Wilson, round numbers, Sutton and Pettis, Zay Jones, Jared Goff. Hunt again, Doug Baldwin. This is Durham Smythe. Sticker auto for the Dolphins. One of those. Team quads, Raiders, Kamara, and Marlon Mack. There's my drop a card. At least it was just a base card and not that autograph. Ramsey, Garoppolo, Von Miller. There is another Nick Chubb appearance. Rookie of the Year. Fournette and Sherman. I said Fournette. I mean Fournette. Thomas, Crabtree, Gordon. Who is this? Good Lord. Oh, Marino. Jeez Louise. I definitely should know him. This was about when he was playing, it was about the time I started watching NFL for the first time. I'd always watched college because that's what you do here in the South. You grow up watching college. But I didn't start watching NFL until much later. Robbie Anderson, Mahomes, McCoy, round numbers, Jaleel Scott and Jamon Moore. Or is it Jamon? I've been calling him Jamon. But it could be Jamon. I'm not sure. Where's the rest of these autographs? Jordan Howard, Cousin Jones, Mason Rudolph, Rookie of the Year, Alex Smith, and Juju. Should still have 3 more autographs making an appearance. Oh, I see something. I don't know if it's an autograph. It is a Jimmy Graham playoff ticket parallel to 175. That is a really nice looking card for sure. Wow. Garoppolo, Contenders, Contender, MVP Contender, Kenyon Drake, and McCaffrey. Bortles, Earl Thomas, Keenum, Legendary Contenders. I guess that's Jerry Rice. Yep, Jerry Rice. Myles Garrett, Evan Ingram. Winston, Graham, Ryan Nall. It's another one of those contender deals. Sam Darnold, Rookie of the Year. Beckham and McCoy. So what are we on? We're on 3 autographs. Should have 2 more. It'd be nice to get one more decent one or a good parallel version of one. Although I know it'd be greedy because I got the Chubb. Suggs, Bosa, Evans, Zeke, Benjamin, Donald. Carr, Mixon, Gronk. Oh, sweet. A Darnold and Mayfield round numbers. I haven't pulled one of those yet. Gurley and Mariota. Down to the last couple of packs. 3 packs and supposedly 2 autos left. So, oh Lord, I hope Contenders doesn't do a number on me again. Let's see. Nope, we've got a redemption. Let's set it aside. I just talked about this in another video, how we always assume redemptions are just something grand, but it's not always the case. Sometimes it's just your run-of-the-mill card of a player who didn't sign in time. Oh, that's our other autograph. Alright, let's open this last pack. Get this out of the way, and then we'll check those 2 autographs. Jarvis, Breeze, Flacco, Lamar Jackson. My Rookie of the Year cards in this have been really good. Carlos Hyde and Zach Ertz. Alright, this looks to be one of those parallels, the little die cut deal of Duke Dawson. Numbered to 52. Patriots rookie. So nice to get a parallel there. Deshaun Watson, MVP Contenders. Hopkins, Wentz. Alright, let's see. Let me get this little redemption down here. We can do the slow roll. Round numbers. I actually hate the slow roll. I don't know why the hell I started doing it. I used to hate when people did it. But honestly, I'm not doing it to torture you. I'm just doing it because I like to surprise myself and see what it is. Alright, football, we know it. Contenders, we know it. Rookie ticket. That's a good sign. 152. Derwin James. Well, I told you it wasn't always sunshine and roses. Rookie ticket, Derwin James. Well, good enough. Alright, that's pretty solid though, that Nick Chubb autograph. Dare I pick it up one more time and try not to drop it? Jeez, I gotta stop being such butterfingers. Woof. Alright. There we go. He does sign pretty well. I mean, it's a pretty good signature on his part, so pretty happy again. So I did 2 boxes of Contenders just like I promised, and both delivered one really good autograph, so I'm pretty content with it. All I got left is that Prism. Oh, I got some more stuff coming in though, but I'm not going to tell you guys about that yet. You got to subscribe or at least keep checking back on the channel to see what else is coming in. I got a couple of more boxes on the way. There's going to be some more goodies. Alright, everybody take care. Hope you're having a great night. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon.